All of these pupils have been engaged in a series of literary, digital competency, interviewing, presenting, masterclasses and learning skills along the way.
This project has helped us gain skills for presenting, interviewing, filming, editing and researching.
Today we've had the premiere of the Aberavon history documentary. So we've had a local choir here singing, red carpet event. We've had the pupils from the 4 schools and all their parents or guardians or family members have been invited to the day. So it's been a real big event, just showcasing all the hard work that's been around the documentary, and the project, which has been really rewarding and enjoyable to work on.
Pupils from the 4 schools have been fantastic, to be honest. To see where they started off with their literacy and their presentation skills and their digital skills, to where they've ended up today, to producing a fantastic documentary all about the heritage and the history behind the Wizards. It's been great to see. Now obviously the legacy kit that we're leaving with each school now, looking forward to seeing what they produce in their own broadcast teams.